What? Yo-yo dieting is a good thing? Okay, just hear me out. I have some good explanation here. Hey guys, Cheri from The Watering Mouth here, giving you the recipes and the mindset to help you eat to live and love it for good. Thank you so much for joining me on this video. Now I have 3 reasons why yo-yo dieting can be a really good thing. Now, it's for sure something that you want to discontinue at some point because it's not great for our health. We do have some ill health effects because of it, you know, namely gaining belly weight, gaining some visceral fat that's on our organs rather than just around our waist, can raise some risk factors for potential disease in the future. But I want us to look back at the yo-yo dieting we may have done in the past and see why it might have been useful for us, okay? So I've got 3 reasons why. And at the end of this video, stick around, I'm gonna tell you how you can end the yo-yo dieting, okay? So number 1 reason why yo-yo dieting can be good, because it helps give us an awareness of our own patterns. So let's say we kind of go through life not understanding why we're gaining weight or why we're having so much trouble. But when we start to do diets, when we actually try to lose weight, we start to become a little bit more aware of what we're doing, and we can start to see when we have issues. So we might learn about ourselves that we tend to have an issue around, say, the afternoon, 3 to 5 p.m. We get really snacky and cravey. Just seeing that can be a really good step towards reversing that, okay? So if we have done any type of dieting or yo-yo dieting in the past and trying again, we can learn a lot about ourselves on a daily basis of what our challenges are. Number 2, we can learn when we have yo-yo dieted in the past, we have actually practiced and figured out what doesn't work for us, okay? So for instance, let's say you've got a long history of trying different diets. Basically what you've done is created a bunch of research for yourself about what hasn't worked for you, right? So now you have a really good understanding of what you've done before and what doesn't work, so that when you are trying something new, you at least aren't gonna be all squirrel like, ooh, let me try this other thing, and I'll try this other thing, right? You already know a lot about yourself and what doesn't work for you. So you can be more open-minded to new techniques, which I'm gonna tell you about at the end of this video, okay? Now the number 3 reason why yo-yo dieting can be actually really good is because it shows something about you that you probably haven't looked at this before in this way. You might be looking at yo-yo dieting as failures, right? Like a series of failures. What I see it as, and I want you to see it as, is resilience. It shows that you are resilient because you're looking at the part where you fell down and you didn't continue that diet and it didn't work. I'm looking at the part where you got back up and tried a new diet, and you tried a new way to lose the weight and take care of yourself. What that shows me is you're a super resilient person, and that is so useful to finally getting this figured out in the end. You've got tons of practice under your belt, you know what you're doing, you know a lot about yourself, and you are poised now for the solution I'm about to give you to end those yo-yo dieting struggles, to end the weight loss struggles, to finally be consistent with your healthy eating goals and lifestyles, which is the Eat to Live family, okay? Now, if you guys have heard anything about this, guess what? It's opening next week, January 25th, for a few days only. This is sort of the trial beginning, opening, the first time for founding members. It's like our soft launch, soft opening, so to speak, right? We're getting things going, we're working on this. It's a monthly coaching membership where you can get access to me all the time. I'm gonna be in there coaching, helping. We're gonna do live coaching videos so we can get on hot seat style and I can actually coach you personally about your specific struggles. You can have an amazing community of people just like you, which is why I'm calling it the Eat to Live family. We're all gonna be together in this private, very private community. It's not gonna be on Facebook, very, very private. So we can discuss and feel open to learn and figure out exactly how to end this yo-yo dieting in the future for good, forever, and to love our food while we're doing it, to be reversing and preventing diseases, just all the good stuff, okay? So this is the Eat to Live family. It is gonna be so affordable, it will knock your socks off. This first opening that we're doing, January of 2021, you gotta get in on it because this is the best price it will ever be. Every time we open it after this, it's gonna go up and up and up in price. So consider joining. The only thing you can do right now is join the wait list because it doesn't open until January 25th, 2021. So if you're watching this video later, of course, it might already be open. Make sure you get in on it. And I'm so sorry if you miss it, because once we close the doors this time, it's closed until the next quarter when we're gonna open it again at a higher monthly price, okay? So consider very affordable. Join the Eat to Live family. We would love to see you in there. I can help you understand and I can teach you how to end yo-yo dieting. I used to always be a binge eater, a yo-yo dieter myself, and now I know exactly how to lose weight when I want to, like at the drop of a dime. Just do it. I know how to teach you how to do this. I'm a private coach for this lifestyle, and I really want to see you making these changes in your life as well, so you can get to the peaceful, calm feeling about food and never worry about yo-yo dieting again, okay? So join the Eat to Live family wait list right now to find out more about it when we launch it on January 25th. You go to info.thewateringmouth.com/family waitlist. Sign up there and we will notify you the minute it is open, okay? Comment down below. Let me know what you think about these 3 things. Did you ever think about yo-yo dieting in this way, or did you always just think about it as a failure? I am gonna be commenting back and more active now that my little twin babies are a little bit older and I have some more space, which is why I'm opening up the family now, because I want to change your life. Okay, so walk with me, stick with me. We're gonna do this together. I'm gonna lose my pregnancy weight. You're gonna lose whatever weight you want to lose, or I am just gonna help you be the healthiest version of yourself possible. And we are gonna have so much fun doing it. So join me in the family, sign up at the wait list. Link down below in the description, or just go to info.thewateringmouth.com/family waitlist. Can't wait to see you in the family. Love you so much. See you soon.